Good morning. Good morning, the end.
Ikaw, good morning, Balong. Mag-i-in ka muna. Good morning, guys. So today,
Parang wala pa sila here. Ayan.
we are going to Russell. It's 10-minute boat ride. So every 10 minutes there's a ferry coming. So I think pagdating doon na lang kami maghihintay. And yeah, come with us. We will bring our car. So we will take the vehicle ferry. Ayun lang. That's our agenda today, and just nature walk and just explore Russell. Puno view pala, ayun. Ay, ano ba yan? Hindi naman masyadong nakikita.
Wi-Fi, L? Game.
Car ferry this way.
Because I didn't
So, ayun
turn
na
the
nga.
Wi-Fi on.
So I think we are nearing the marina because I can see the
bench.
beach. So this is the New Zealand trademark. All our orange cones, of course. We cannot forget that. Ayan na, ang ganda. O, diba? Look at that.
Pa-park na dito?
I think so. Ayan o. Hindi, diyan ka papasok kasi dito. Babe, dito ka. According to your map. So, eto na guys yung mga sasakyan na galing sa ferry, and I think dyan din siguro kami sasakay. So, ayun. Nakaintay lang kami dito. Pangatlo kami. And nasa likod ang bakers. Hi girl! Ellie girl? Wala siya pakialam. Ayan. Ayun, it's our turn. We will go to the car ferry.
The car ferry?
Yes.
So we will just follow the...
Yeah, follow the leader.
Ay, ito na yung ferry din.
Oo.
Bandok tayo.
First time kasi namin guys, di namin alam what's going on. Siguro yung ticket dito na. While on board, we can just go down. So, ayan. So, ayun na guys. It's a short ferry ride. We are already on board with our cars. Andyan din yung ibang cars. Andito na guys yung nangungulikta ng bayad.
Hello.
Hello.
Ano yung return po yun?
use it anytime, right? Yeah, return. Ah. Babe. So we'll just keep the receipt for the return?
Yeah, you just pass it back on your next trip.
Okay.
Here we are.
Thank you. Guys, umandar na kami nakakahilo. Yung birthday ko na naman natin. So, subok na subok.
Ipikit mo na lang.
Babe, oh. Kasi yung return natin nandyan. Birthday ko natin dito. So, our movie.
Kulmari daw, ano.
10 minutes. At oo, yun. Tapos na, sasakay na kami, yun na yun. Oh, let's go back, let's go back. Ganun lang kabilis, guys. Tapos na agad.
Kaya pala, 20 lang.
What is that? Pababa na kami, guys. So, meron naman sa kabila. They're also waiting for us to go to unload and then they'll go on board. Ganun lang. Ayun sila, by foot sila. Ayan o, yung nasa yung pamilya dito. You can also go, actually, meron namang ferry na by foot. Mas exciting nga lang dito and you can use your vehicle to go around as well.
Thank you.
Yay! So they are waiting to go on board too.
Yung pangalan ito sa sakyan natin, babe, hindi ka man naka-seatbelt.
Oo.
Hello, everybody. Today we are at
Russell.
Russell. This is my friend CJ, and then this is his older brother CK. Suckers! Like and subscribe. And I do not know where we're going, but let's just figure it out soon. We should be going
to the
somewhere.
Yashon.
Huh? Just read with me. What are you doing, Lee?
Oh, then,
Yeah, I think it's a CR because it smells like a restroom.
Yeah, you're right, Mom.
It does smell.
Okay. So,
Sobrang panghi, guys. So baka feeling ko ano nga 'yon. Toilet.
Mom, can I get this?
Ha?
I want to make that.
So pupunta kami, guys, sa ang ganda ang ganda ng mga bahay dito. As in, para naman mga dato yung nakatira dito.
sumakay kami ng barko para makita ang cemetery.
So this is Christ Church, guys, the oldest church in New Zealand. Punta kami dyan. And I think you can still see the bullets from before. So let's cross. Come on. See, this is Christchurch Anglican, the oldest church in Aotearoa, New Zealand.
Let me go inside.
Okay, let's go.
Stay with me.
Yeah.
Magpapagpag tayo.
Ano?
Magpapagpag.
Oh, that's the biggest one.
Yeah, so where are the... there you go. Ayan yung bullet holes, from before. You can still see it. Yeah. Ayan, Ayan, mga bullet holes. Ha? Saan yung front?
Bakit din sa bakit ang simbahan nila cemetery din? Bakit ganun ang practice before? Simbahan
Oh, there's actually a wedding at 3:30 p.m. Shh, quiet, guys.
This altar was used in 1836 to
There's a wedding. There's a wedding later.
There's more here outside.
So I thought they died.
Yeah.
And look at this one.
Lest we forget.
There's more. There's a little bit more.
Dito magpapaano? Jog.
Alis muna daw kami dito, guys. Magpapagpag muna daw kami.
Ito, straight tayo.
Uy, kids.
Kuya, dada, tingnan mo muna mga...
Kasi there are cars. Kailangan mag-crowd control, guys. 3 lang yung bata namin, pero parang siyam.
Ay, ano ba yun? Yung islander na toilet.
Uy!
Ay, tama.
50 lang kasi doon.
Nervous naman
Ang
ako.
bilis naman kasi niya. Para sa kurbada.
Saan na ba tayo?
Pinakbo ko si Ellie.
Na
Ba yun?
plant.
Pepper tree. Kawa-kawa. Ito pala yan?
Ito pala yun?
Ito pala yung ginagawang oo, yung pasyente namin nagbigay sa akin ng kawa-kawa ba.
Maori had many uses for the fruit, bark, and the leaves. Ito yung pinaka-medicinal plant nila, guys. Kawa-kawa. Tamati, Wakanene Reserve. In 1866, this land was granted to Tamati Wakanene, chief of Napuhi. The seat incorporates bricks from his cottage chimney. Ito. May free books. Public library. Nga.
Dito niluluto yung mga bisita.
Anong niluluto dyan? Anong niluluto dyan?
Dito niluluto.
Ay, naku guys. Baka mailuto tayo dito. Ang laki naman nito. Kasyang-kasya talaga. Oh. Oh, ikaw kayang iluto dyan. Ellie, you wanna stand next to that pot? It's a big one. I think they cook people there.
You cook bulalo.
They cook bulalo there?
Bulalo.
Papaitan.
Ano naman to?
I can't see.
You can't see.
I can't see what's inside.
You call dad. Ask him to carry you.
Will you?
Oh, that's a big...
Mommy.
Kare, nakita niya yung sheep doon? Ang laki. Yung sheep.
Siguro yun yung sinakyan nila bago sila first siguro nila sakay, no?
Mm.
Nabangka.
The old cannon first arrived in as ballast in the ship. Ah.
Fire in the hole.
Okay, 1, 2. Basta na yung kanon.
Ayun yung
Hindi
bala
naman
ko.
nakita.
1, 2.
Ayun yung bala ko.
Balong. Tara na.
Look, oh. Russell Crafts by Russell people. Craft market. Don't touch, ha? Don't touch. Just for your eyes only. Oh, that is nice. Don't touch. Just don't touch. Oh, just look at it. Oh, that is cool. That's so cool. Don't touch. Yeah, it is cute.
So cool. I think old people would.
Oh, this one is nice. Chopping board.
Why are you allowed to touch them? I won't break
This is
it.
nice.
I won't break them.
Come here. But we don't want to break anything.
Oh wow, fun.
Yeah. What's that?
You put car.
Oil?
You put
Car
them in
freshener.
Yeah.
a couple of drops of oil and then
Ah,
last
true.
for
$20 yung isa.
Weeks.
Because wool is a hollow fibre.
Oh, true.
I make them,
Oh.
and this symbol in
That's cute. But you don't have a dice.
You have to roll card.
Ayun pala yun. Oh. Bukas pa kayo matatapos niyan. Oh. Oh, pwede ka umakyat. Okay. Ano si Carl? Yun ni Carl, akyat ka din ng ladder.
this is one.
Here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up the ladder. Go! That's a snail. I mean, that's
Ay, bukas pa tayo matatapos nito. Daanan na lang ulit namin kayo dito, ha? So, ito yung Cororareca. Yan yung name ng Russell before. Cororareca. And now it's called Russell. Lakad-lakad lang kami dito sa beachfront nila. Ha?
Receptionist.
Sister, pwede daw tong reception sa kasal, oh. Ganda. Laki ng punong to. Look at that, Ellie, oh. You wanna hug the tree? Look. Wow, ice cream time. Bakit lahat naman kayo mango?
They copied all. They copied me. No, I like a mango.
Oh, grabe. Talagang sobrang sarap
Wait,
balong.
the pink. This is actually. No, this is sweet.
The world will know your name. Balong.
Ano yung ginagawa nyo? Oh. Oh, let's go, let's go, let's go. Walk, walk. Andito na kami guys sa Rocky Beach Reserve. Rocky kasi oh, puro rocks nga naman. Ang ganda actually. It's actually very nice. So, la-lunch kami guys. Picnic lunch. With a view. Wow. Ang ganda, diba? Ayan. May dala talaga kaming rice cooker. Di pwedeng mawala ang rice cooker. Of course. Ganda guys. Kaya kada makakabili ng ganyang mga bahay. Oh.
No bashing.
Nag-e-enjoy lang sila guys ng maglaro dito sa tabi. O pati si Mama Kare oh.
This is my souvenir. This is my souvenir. Yeah. Wow, I found a squirrel. This is my souvenir here in
Ano nakuha mo? Ay nice.
Mga rocks. I saw sea glass, and
Ay,
tignan mo
that's
to, ang cute to.
nice. Oo
May
nga.
swirl yung rocks sa ilalim.
How about you, El? What did you find?
Shells.
Oh, you're helping her. You get your own too.
Yeah, so you have to put it in somewhere and you could put it inside somewhere.
Is it cold? Is the water cold? Talaga na naman ho si Caroline Baker. Ayun na siya. Oh, oh. Oh. Ayan na siya. Oh, may maliit susunod. Ala. Ayan na oh. Oh, posting pa more for the gram. Ay, naku, madulas ka dyan, Caroline, talaga naman. It's 2:30 p.m. guys. Pabalik na kami sa ferry.
And we are sleepy.
We are done with Russell. So, ayun na yung baker sa likod. So, we will, make tawid over there. So, eto na guys, yung pila na ulit kami. Pabalik para sumakay ng ferry. Ayan. Ang pila. Pasakay. So nakasakay na kami guys, di na kami bababa this time. So ayun.
Welcome aboard Yellow. Please be aware. Please ensure your cars and parks. The handbrake is applied, the engine's turned off. If you do have children on board, no running, jumping or climbing on board for the kids. Those rules also apply to adults. Well, it's only
So we're back in Pahiyad guys. It was so nice. So ayun, ewan ko kung nasaan na yung bakers. We are off to Haruru Falls, which is 14 minutes drive from now. Kasi ano, I think from Pahiya it's just a 28-minute walk. Alam mo naman dito puro walk, pero hindi kami mag-walk. The-drive lang kami. So yun.
May parking ba?
Uy, may habal din sa likod mo. I think so. Tourist spot yun eh. So, I think that would be the last destination for the day. And then, we will have a rest because tomorrow, we will go bright and early to another destination where we will be spending overnight again. So, yeah. But I think yung mga kids, they are still planning to swim tonight. So, ayun. Actually, mas excited na silang umuwi. Pero syempre, gagala muna kami. So, we are off to Haruru Falls.
From our accommodation ba, ilang minutes lang daw yun? Falls.
2 from yung city center ng Pahiya.
2 minutes.
2-minute drive.
Drive.
So, pero ngayon, 11 minutes. So, mga reasonably ganun din talaga. Kasi 10 minutes away yung ano eh. Yung ferry, vehicle ferry from our yung Pahiya guys, sobrang ano niya, very small town, pero tourist spot. Pero very small lang talaga siya na town. Like, I think ang meron lang nga dito ay Woolies. Tapos doon kanina sa kabila, sa Russell, ang ano lang nila, ang grocery nila, ano lang, 4 square lang, yun lang.
Okay, guys, so we're now here. We're just waiting.
Excuse me.
And there's lots of chickens over here, I think. Oh, look at the little chickens! Little chickens! So cute!
Christmas morn.
Okay. Back?
Mura no?
Dito na kami guys sa Haruru Falls. Ito ang snack namin. Sabi kasi ni Wally, bawal daw kumain chichirya. Dapat daw healthy. Guys, ang ganda! Ang ganda ng view! Wait lang. Wala si Ate Buwis buhay! Wow! Para siyang Niagara Falls na maliit. I don't know. Oh, that's from the color of the rocks underneath. Guys, ang daming manok dito. Pag-uwi na kaya kami dito ng pang tinola. Ayan oh.
Chicken is laying an egg.
Ah,
You hear the fart?
what is the chicken doing? Laying an egg.
Maybe laying an egg, I think.
Laying an egg.
Oh.
Do you need to go toilet?
Do you have something in there?
The dabarkads are there. Why are you alone there? The dabarkads are there. Oh,
Not that thing.
the rest are there.
I think the chicks are inside her. You think? How we will know?
Are you throwing off on her?
Inistorbo sila ni Kare.
Sorry naman.
Gusto maglimlim oh. Sa ilalim ng nanay niya.
Huwag mo isurbahin kuya, babalik sila. Doon gusto namin makita bumalik.
Kaya nga.
Oh, and let the chicks lead the way.
Ayan, papasok ulit yung mga chicks sa loob niya oh. Amazing.
Kasi, uulan na.
Kanina, ang galing kasi lahat sila nandun sa loob.
Oh, hindi mo
Yan,
mapapansin na
mapapansin.
may laman.
May laman. Ayan, nagtatakbo sila isa-isa. Oh.
Oo. Ay, ang amazing.
Kasi uulan na eh.
Ay, iniwanan sila ng nanay nila.
Kumakain po si Balong.
Sinabi ko, Dada! Pinaupo mo yan.
So tapos na kami guys sa Haruru Falls. Sobrang ganda. Kita nyo naman no?
Haruro.
Haruru Falls. Haru! Hi. They're getting a souvenir from here.
I know what you had. Pass your food. There, you go. Spin it. I got it. All you gotta do is just spin it. Oh, and then it's gonna release. And then you release it. And then you make it. Wait, let me try it again. Can I have one?
Ako bibi dati na.
And a lemon sorbet on a cup.
We gotta go down here.
Can I see? Or you have one like Disneyland?
Yeah. Now I can
That's it?
Like yung gawa ng Tokyo Disney niya, may ganyan siya.
Kapor lang naman.
Mine.
Hindi ka man lang pumili muna, El.
So tinitikman nila guys yung best-selling ice cream daw dito with Celine's ice cream. Ellie, what flavor did you get?
Mango.
Is it yum? Show me. Tapos andito naman kami sa fish and chips. Titikman namin yung local fish and chips. Saan si Kare?
Mom.
Toilet. Makano kasi ang medyo
Ayun. Do you need to go toilet? Ayan si Mama Kare, oh. Nandun sa labas. Oh, ayan na si
Hindi pa siya na.
Mom.
Ito na guys ang aming fish and chips. Open the sauce.
I need to know. Wait, since when did you mixed it with the mayo?
Ano pa? Ano masarap? Bagong luto pa kasi. That guys, 5 na pero merienda daw namin ito.
Since when did
Ano naman ang feedback mo sa fish and chips nila? Masarap? Balong, masarap ba? Be, ano naman ang iyong feedback?
Masarap.
Masarap? Oo nga. Masarap nga.
It's hot.
It's hot. Ang feedback ni Elle, it's hot.
Hey.
May rainbow. Pero, hindi siya after the rain. Tarang before the rain kasi uulan na.
So it's going like.
Tapos na kami kumain, guys. Ay! Kumain ulit. Dinner. Sabaw. Yummy.
Ilagay mo nga yun dito.
Ellie, what are you doing?
Don't know what to do.
Ah.
Lalapag mo yan dyan.
Ito resulta guys ng 2 kape, 2 ice cream. Oh. Oh, di ba? Oh.
Hanap tayo ng pwede TikTok natin. Patabi tayo kay Wawa.
Wyatt, oh, may tatalo na daw sa'yo. Si Kare daw, magcha-challenge daw kayo.